A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Its loveliness increases, it will never pass into nothingness, but will keep a bower quiet for us, and a sleep full of sweet dreams, and health and quiet breathing. Therefore, on every morrow are we reading a flowery band to bind us to the earth, spite of despondence. Despondence means disappointment of the inhuman dearth. Dearth is lack, lack of human qualities, of noble natures, of the gloomy days, of all the unhealthy and over-darkened ways. Over-darkened means evil. Made for our searching, yes, in spite of all. Some shape of beauty moves away the pall. Pall is the covering. From our dark spirits, such the sun, the moon, trees old and young sprouting a shady boon. For simple sheep and such are daffodils, with the green world they live in and clear rills. Rills are the small streams that for themselves a cooling covert make. Covert is a shelter of bushes. Against the hot season, the mid-forest brake. Brake is a thick mass of ferns, rich with a sprinkling of fair musk rose blooms, and such too is the grandeur of the dooms we have imagined for the mighty dead, all lovely tales that we have heard or read, an endless fountain of immortal drink pouring onto us from the heavens' brink. According to John Keats, the beauties of nature are everlasting, be it the sun, the moon, the trees, beautiful daffodil flowers, the rills blooming musk roses. He sees beauty in all the natural things. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. The poet is trying to convey the message that we feel happy when we see things of beauty. They make a lasting impression on us. A thing of beauty is a constant source of joy and happiness. Its beauty keeps on increasing every moment. It never fades, it declines or diminishes. In other words, we can say that a thing of beauty is never devalued. It keeps a bower quiet for us. A bower is a pleasant place in the shade under a tree, which provides us shelter, peace, and security, as well as sound sleep, which is full of sweet dreams, good health, and peaceful breathing. John Keats is a worshipper of beauty. He believes that there is an unbreakable bond between man with nature. The things of beauty are like wreaths of beautiful flowers. We seem to weave a flowery band every day. It keeps us attached to the beauties of this world. The poet also stresses the point that the man himself is the root cause of all his sufferings. His own nature and actions bring miseries, sorrows, and sufferings to him, and at times he even resorts to unhealthy and evil ways which give birth to troubles. They dampen his spirits. A thing of beauty provides a ray of hope to man. Some form of beauty works wonders amid these sorrows and sufferings. A thing of beauty removes the pall of despondence and brings love and happiness into our lives. Thus, all the beautiful things of nature are a boon to humanity. The trees provide a shady shelter, which is a boon for simple sheep. Daffodils bloom among the green surroundings. The rills, or small streams of clear water, are a cool shelter for themselves against the hot season, and the mid-forest brake looks more beautiful and grand with the blooming of beautiful musk roses. The poet describes the nature as an endless fountain of immortal drink which pours into our hearts from the heavens brink. List the things of beauty mentioned in the poem. According to John Keats, the beauties of nature are everlasting, be it the sun, the moon, the trees, the beautiful daffodil flowers, the green woods, clear rills, blooming musk roses, and the list seems endless. He sees beauty in all the natural things. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. John Keats is a worshipper of beauty. He believes that there is an unbreakable bond between man with nature. The things of beauty are like wreaths of beautiful flowers. We seem to weave a flowery band every day. It keeps us attached to the beauties of this world. What makes human beings love life in spite of troubles and sufferings? There are many things that bring us troubles and sufferings. They dampen our spirits. However, some shape of beauty brings love and happiness in our lives in spite of such unpleasant things. A thing of beauty removes the pall of despondence and makes us love life. Mighty Dead refers to the great and inspiring people about whom grand stories were written. These are read and admired even today and are a source of inspiration to many. Their achievements made them mighty and great. Their noble works dazzle our eyes. We imagine that such mighty dead forefathers will attain more grandeur on the doomsday. Hence, grandeur is associated with the mighty dead. Do we experience things of beauty only for short moments, or do they make a lasting impression on us? We feel happy when we see things of beauty. They make a lasting impression on us. According to John Keats, a thing of beauty is a joy forever. It is a constant source of joy and pleasure. Its beauty never declines or diminishes. Its loveliness goes on increasing every moment. Its value is never devalued. It never passes into nothingness. It removes the pall of sadness that covers our dark spirits. What image does the poet use to describe the beautiful bounty of the earth? John Keats uses a very beautiful image to describe the beautiful bounty of the earth. He describes it as an endless fountain of immortal drink. It pours constantly into our hearts from heaven. Thus, the beautiful bounty of the earth is called an endless fountain of immortal drink.